Griti Singh Tapasya and I am 6 years old. So like lot of my friends ask how we can speak English fluently. So today I am going to tell you how we can speak English fluently. The first is don't feel shy. If you will feel shy, you will never speak English. If you will talk like, the second is don't. If you're watching like English cartoons, you have to watch everything in English only. Third is you have to speak everyone in English only. Everyone you have to